my 2002 KX500 today. I've been trying to think of like video ideas that I can make on this bike, and I just downloaded a GPS speed tracker to my phone, and we are going to be finding out just how fast we can actually go on this thing. Like, I've gotten on this thing, like, getting straights and stuff, but not like, I've never ridden it, like, through the gears just wide open, and I have no idea what to expect. Never ever done a 500 two-stroke until now, so don't know what to expect, but it should be interesting. I'm assuming it'll be around 80 miles an hour top speed. I'm gonna try to jump this.
You're gonna try and jump this?
Yeah. Watch for, yeah, watch for cars. God damn, this thing vibrates so much. Holy, oh my God. This thing was pulling hard, like top of fifth, like holy cow, I have never ever felt a dirt bike pull that hard in the top of fifth gear. That was insane. Stop here and watch for cars. If one's stop here and watch for cars. If one is coming this way, just stop them. All right. Let's see what we can do. This is pretty flat. I think it. Yeah, it's pretty flat. I don't think it has any downhill or uphill. Let's see. God, my nerves are going right now. All right, let's do it. That is unreal.
Yeah, it sounds so violent. Like,
it pulls as hard in the top of fifth as it does like in any other gear. Like literally,
that's kind of scary.
It feels like it's at least 80, maybe even 90.
Yeah. I got your heart racing, man. That was wild. Oh man, I'm glad I did what you said.
Lean back.
Hooking that whole time, and my front was hardly like wobbling at all.
Yeah. My phone speedometer said the first time was like 70, and the second time I did it was 78.
Really?
Yeah, it felt faster.
Maybe it's because you're lower, because I'm taller, and mine feels about 70.